Safety, quality, and protecting the environment are at the forefront of IPS's core values. IPS provides a multi-stage pipelining and rehabilitation process that combines the latest in both mechanical and chemical cleaning. First, any valves, tees, or lateral lines must be removed. A temporary spool will be installed, which can also serve as an inspection location. The removed pieces can also be lined separately if the choice is made to do so. The equipment includes an array of air compressors, tanks, support trailers, and chemicals. The amount of equipment for the process depends on the diameter of the pipeline. The pipeline pigs are propelled using dehydrated 100% oil-free compressed air. The pigs are never tethered, making it possible to coat long distances that may include multiple bends and elevation changes. Surface preparation is the single most important factor in assuring bonding of the coating to the pipe wall. The first stage entails the removal of all residual oils. This is done by batching a carefully chosen detergent between two pigs, which are then shuttled through the pipeline. For light hydrocarbon pipelines, a non-hazardous biodegradable detergent can be used. A strong alkaline caustic detergent is used for cleaning heavy oil pipelines. This stage will typically take 1 to 2 days to complete. Next is the chemical cleaning step, in which inhibited hydrochloric acid is batched and shuttled between two bidirectional pigs to remove scale and subsequent oxidation. This procedure will ultimately provide the pipeline with a minimum SSPC SP10 or NACE2 near white metal surface. IPS collects samples from each cleaning run for analysis. The acid is titrated to monitor changes in concentration. As the acid reacts with oxidation and scale, the concentration will deplete. In other words, the point at which the acid concentration is no longer depleting represents that there is nothing left on the pipeline surface to react with. Now that the acid has loosened and removed subsequent oxidation and scale within the line, scrapers or brush pigs and water are used to remove the solid material from the line. Samples are collected from each water run for solid content analysis. The pipeline is ready for additional acid once the solid content falls below 3%. The process of acidizing and water flushing will repeat until acid concentration is no longer depleting and water samples display only trace amounts of solids. Typically, 5 acid runs will achieve the desired results. The final stage for preparing the pipe for epoxy coating entails a series of chemicals that will passivate the pipe surface and stop the development of new oxidation. This is followed by achieving a desired pH with a buffering solution. Solvent runs will then work as a water scavenger and expedite drying the pipeline. Now that the pipeline is clean and dry, the coating is mixed in 55-gallon drums using pneumatic mixers. 3-inch diaphragm pumps inject the epoxy coating into the pipeline. The pot life of the coating allows more than a reasonable time to perform the coating operation. The coating is loaded between two specially designed urethane pigs. Using a predetermined batch speed, the correct velocity is maintained by closely monitoring the drive and the back pressure. This provides a controlled mill thickness. Typical specifications would require a minimum of 3 coating runs. After each coating run, the same compressed air continues to purge blow through the pipeline to ensure total evacuation of solvents, which aids in drying between coats. Tees, valves, or lateral lines can now be reinstated. The pipeline not only has a new corrosion-resistant barrier, but could potentially save millions of dollars from improved flow efficiency and the ability to maintain product purity. Realizing that every pipeline is unique, IPS must be prepared to meet the demands of varying wall thicknesses, bends and profiles for either onshore or offshore pipelines. For these reasons, every coating application is carefully planned and implemented on an individual case basis. IPS works closely with you and the coating manufacturer to provide the exact coating to meet your specific needs. Make the right choice, protect the environment, and protect your assets with Internal Pipeline Solutions.